everyone, welcome. My name is Maggie. I want to share with you some holiday traditions on how I put my ornaments away and how this is a family tradition, and it just really makes decorating the tree the following year so much more festive and fun. So anyway, I'm sure all of you use boxes or different methods for gift wrapping. We a lot of times use these very decorative boxes. And inside, I like to wrap the gift, whatever it may be, little or small, in a little tissue paper so that when they open the box, since there's not a lot of unwrapping, they at least have to go through the tissue paper to get to the gift. And so here's another one, very fun, festive. We reuse the boxes sometimes, but the tissue paper, you know, I don't throw that away with all the other holiday gift wrappings. What I like to do is I save the tissue paper and I fold it into quarters. So when I have a nice little stack of tissue paper, like so, what I do is I take it and I cut it into quarters. And you'll see in a minute what we do with the ornaments. So I'm going to cut it down the center like so. And what I like to do is take several sheets, and so you can kind of do this in multiples. It saves a little time if you stack the sheets. And so you're going to come up, when you do this, you're going to have, out of each sheet, you're going to get 4 festive wrappers. So I have a stack over here like so. And I like to use these holiday ornament boxes. And what's interesting is there is a little space for each ornament. So what I like to do, and you can see it's full of colorful wrapped items. So I've been collecting ornaments for probably 20 years. And each year, each one is very special. I like to collect the European glass ornaments that are usually handmade, hand-blown. And this one's a mushroom. Another one of the favorite ones that I like is the icicle. So what I like to do is they're special in and of itself is I'll take them in a piece of tissue paper and wrap them up like so. And so into each one of these spots goes a little ornament. Look at all the fun different colors. And so next year, when you go to decorate your tree, it's so much fun because it's like each one is a little gift. You don't know what's inside the package, and you take it and you unwrap it. And it's sort of like unwrapping a gift each time. And you go to place your ornament on your tree. This is just a fun family tradition that we've been doing in my family for some time, and a great way to recycle your tissue paper. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you have some fun with this. Let me know. Have a great day.